Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we're going to be doing some painting on the hood for that 2011 Dodge Charger. It has certain imperfections. It came like this, so I'm going to be going around touching up stuff I can, stuff I see, stuff that's not like extremely straight. And that will show up through the paint, this whole area. Little stuff like this here. This is the sandpaper I'm using just to touch it up. This is 150 sandpaper. This is 400. I'm probably going to be using a lot of this 3M. It has little imperfections everywhere. Just small stuff. Gonna be wet sanding as well before I paint, but it's gonna be 2000 wet sandpaper. Yeah, enough talking. Let's get to it. Alright guys, it's the next day. I got the body work done on the hood already. So I'm gonna wet sand it and then we're gonna get to painting it. Alright, let's get to it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's done being wet sanded. So I'm gonna dry it off and all that boring stuff. I'm not gonna record that. I'm gonna head to the paint store. We can get some B-rolls at the paint store, and I'll catch up back to you guys when I'm back from the paint store. Okay, back from the paint store, about to get to it. So yeah, let's get to the paint. All right, guys, as you can see, we got it painted. And we're actually gonna add another color on top of this, but I'm not gonna tell you guys, I'll just let it be a surprise. And while it's drying, I'm actually gonna head to the junkyard and get that fender that I was talking about in the past video on the driver's side. So I guess we'll just cut to me getting there. When I get there, I'll just start filming. All right, guys, we got the hood painted. So I'm gonna just jump to this real quick. This is the bumper my customer bought, and it came with some imperfections. I already sanded some stuff off camera, but it's a lot of imperfections and cracks. I suggest buying OEM. So I'm gonna set the camera up, do a time lapse with some sanding, and then some body work after that. Here's some of the imperfections I just sanded out. Very slight crack, but I'm still gonna fill it. This one, and I gotta get in here as well. And this one as well. And that. This is how it came out of the wrapping. So let's get to fixing it. All right, guys, as you can see, we got it cleared. I'm pretty happy with the results. It does have some imperfections, but we'll deal with that in the next video. But I like the outcome. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Peace.